Alright, we got a train hanging down the line. We were at Lancaster, New York at Sheldon Drive. Before we get into this video, I want to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And let's get some trains right now. Next, an Amtrak one. Oh wait, it's Amtrak. Alright. '50th anniversary, alright, 46 units. The symbol on that train is Amtrak 281. The 281 originates from New York City, heads west to Niagara Falls, New York War Terminus on this Thursday, October 12th, 2023 by Bergan the Railfanning on YouTube. Here comes the next video, roll it. Alright, we got a CSX eastbound train hanging down the line. Our first CSX of the day in the evening. Symbol on the train is CSX I-008. The I-008 originates from Rose Lake, Illinois, heads east to North Bergan, New Jersey, which terminates. On to the next train clip. Roll it.